is your friend dear Arshi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to discuss about some outfit ideas for petite women and some normal general outfit ideas as well, which you can utilize. So let's get started. So the first tip I want to share with you guys is whenever you are wearing jeans, go for the high-rise jeans. Especially if you are a petite woman, it looks so nice when you wear a high-rise jeans because your torso is gonna look much more longer than how it actually is. So I will highly recommend wearing high-rise jeans instead of low-rise. If you are especially a petite woman like me, I am 5'1". Yeah, that's true, I'm 5'1". A high-rise jeans is instantaneously will make your tiny frame look much more taller than how it actually is. So go for high-rise jeans. If you are having any t-shirts and you feel that the tees are loose from this end and you want to make it a crop top, just twist your tee from both sides and put it in the front and again twist it, and just you can secure it with a rubber band or any kind of band to make sure it doesn't fall off, and it will make you look much more fashionable than how you normally wear your t-shirts and crop tops. If you are wearing any knee length dresses, it will make you look shorter. So go for either thigh length dresses or your hot pants or shorts, or make sure that the bottom is longer going till your leg length rather than ending on knees, because that will make you look shorter. I prefer to go for quality rather than quantity. I know that fashion comes and goes, the trend comes and goes, ladies, like when you are spending so much on your dresses, it should be there with you for at least 2-3 years, so it should stand the test of time. I personally like to go for timeless pieces where I can wear it for the next 5 years, and I like the fabric quality more. Like I go for linen dresses more than any other type of fabric. I prefer to go for quality over quantity. The next tip I want to give you guys is to tuck in your shirts, your t-shirts, whatever it is, if it is long enough, because tucking makes a lot of difference and makes you look much more taller than how you normally wear your t-shirts without tuck-ins. Tuck-ins are always a great idea to make you look much more fashionable. And don't forget to roll your sleeves like this much length or full till here. It will make you look much more put together. Have some basic colors which are classic pieces like black, white, beige and browns and grays. Apart from sometimes, yeah, I wear for summer dresses some vibrant colors I do wear, but I have strict myself to choose these colors over other colors so that whenever I go out for shopping, I don't have to, go and get confused, and I just end up taking something which I later regret. So I make sure that when I'm going for shopping, I spend my money on these classic pieces because I can pair it with so many dresses if it is white and if it is black. These are very classic pieces. You can also improve your wardrobe by selecting these colors over other colors. I go for solid colors over prints because a solid color like this black shirt, you can pair it up with so many dresses. You can wear it in your office, you can wear it on job interviews, you can wear it in night parties also. So try to buy the clothes which can be there with you for the next 3 or 5 years, and I will always say go for quality rather than quantity of clothes. It doesn't make sense if after 1 year or 2 years you are anyway gonna throw out or give those clothes to somebody else. It's far more better if, even if it is a little expensive, you just buy that piece of clothing, and if it stands the test of time, I feel that's a more smarter investment on clothes. Talking about brands, if I want to shop on a budget, I go for H&M, and Forever 21 also sometimes has some nice t-shirts, nice crop tops and jeans, but Forever 21 is mainly for the ladies, not even the ladies, the girls who are like college girls. You can shop Forever 21, but if you are a mature lady then I prefer to go for H&M, and if you can afford quality pieces, like really expensive pieces, I prefer to go for Forever New. There are some pieces from Forever New which really stands the test of time, and which I just end up buying and love more and more wearing each day. So these are some of the brands. Like you can buy it from Zara. I stopped buying from Zara because some of the clothes, the colors were coming off. They are expensive, and still if colors are coming off, I'm not gonna buy it again. So that's just me, but if you like wearing it from Zara, you can go and buy Zara clothes as well. The another tip is, since we go for solids over prints and very basic classic timeless pieces, try to pair it with some jewelries, like light jewelries, fine jewelries, and some necklaces, light fine like I'm wearing, or some rings like these. That's gonna amp up your overall look rather than just wearing the cloth alone. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section also like what kind of colors you like to purchase, and do subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.